Hi, it's Sean with TriState Water Works. We're always looking for new and innovative ways to improve sprinkler systems for people. And we were doing this job last year, and the owner of this house is a president of a large commercial plumbing company. And he showed us this device here, which we used on his house. And this is what they call an irrigation hydrant. It's basically a freeze-proof hydrant that can shut the water on and off to the sprinkler system. But we can shut the water off right on this portion of the device. And when you turn it off, it turns the water off inside the house. So there's a long stem going through the wall, and the actual shut-off portion is inside the house. There's no restriction in flow. It's a 1-inch pipe feeding this, so it doesn't restrict the water flow in any way. Come winter time, we pull out that little plug right there. It drains all the water out of it so it doesn't freeze. So why would you want to do something like this? Things we've found, especially since COVID, people are less likely to want you coming into their house. With COVID, people didn't want us coming into their house, which I get. We do try to protect people's homes when we come in. We wear boot covers and everything like that. But benefit is we don't have to enter your house. The other good thing it might be, you could be traveling anywhere in the world, and if there was a problem, we can shut off the water outside for you. We don't have to have someone getting access to come inside the house. So with the combination of this and the smart controller, we would never have to enter your house again. We can do all of our work from the exterior of your property, makes things simple and easy, and also kind of gives you another level of security.